When I found out that I'd actually got the position at Smulders, I was over the moon. I was quite shocked and very much in denial, to be honest.
The Skills Bootcamp we've developed with Smulders, they wanted a programme with the Energy Academy for learners to develop welding skills. We did this by developing a course with them, which involved health and safety, practical skills and theory sessions with the learners throughout.
Smulders got involved really because we can see what they're actually doing with the 14 welding apprentices we've currently got on site at the Energy Academy. The guys who are at the college appreciate the skills shortage that we have got.
We developed this course with Smulders with regular meetings and the type of learner they wanted, the type of welder they wanted, the type of processes they want to use in industry and the test pieces what students would need to pass. And the students were absolutely fantastic. Attendance was phenomenal throughout the course. They were all engaged. They were a benefit to themselves and to the Energy Academy.
I found it good and the tutors were amazing, starting guy was amazing. It's a great experience.
I had never welded with metal wire before, using mega flux cores, so good learning experience.
I was welding before I come here. It was just basic welding. I wanted to push into proper welding. I was asking for apprenticeships and that, nothing was happening. And then this got mentioned.
I've been in the industry for 3 or 4 years now, so I've worked company to company, and I've always knew about Smulders since I was young, since I had family that works here. The boot camp came up just and I was just going for Newcastle College, looking to try and get a level 2 or something like that, just any qualification, and this is what came through.
I think the boot camp went very well. I would visit there weekly just to see the progress of the guys, how they're getting on. They've been welding for 4 days here at Smulders. One of the guys is already on to his final test to get him into production. That's within a week. That's because the guys have got that little bit of experience, and I think that's what benefits Smulders especially.
Every day, it's a new challenge here and trying to get into production as soon as possible, but also with being comfortable out there.
I would say the boot camp is different to any other college course. It was very hands-on. We learned a lot in a short period of time. It was just a lot more fun, to be honest.
I've been in the industry over 30 years. I know how important it is to get these young guys through the door. The last thing we want is to have all this investment, all the wind turbine work, the oil and gas work going abroad.
They're very local to us. Themselves and us understand the needs of the industry, the workforce of the future, what they want to develop. It's a very close relationship.
This was like a big risk I was willing to take, and it worked out in my favour at the end.